Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, a flagship foldable phone, just launched today, super premium in design, flagship camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So, when we open the box of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, first remove the plastic wrapping and open the lid. Set the phone aside for a bit. Inside, there's a 120-watt power adapter with a Type-C output, along with a Type-C to Type-C data cable. Also get a protective case, which is the same as the one in the standard version. After removing the plastic covering from the phone, let's talk about its design and build. The phone's color is the same as the standard variant we saw earlier, which is white. In this X Fold 3 Pro variant as well, you get a lightweight and thin feel to the phone. When you fold it and compare it with the standard variant of the X Fold 3, with the Pro variant on the left and the standard variant on the right, you can see that in the Pro variant, you get a periscope camera lens. In the Pro variant, you also get a total of 3 camera sensors, and there's the Zeiss logo on the top side. So, you notice a different camera setup compared to the standard variant, but the back of the phone remains the same. One more thing to note is that in the Pro variant, they've used armor glass for the outer screen and armor back cover for the back, which is made of special fibers. So, both phones will have a different feel to the touch. Additionally, both phones use ultra-thin flexible glass for the internal screen, making it more reliable. While they may look almost similar, you can notice differences in the details of the frame between the Pro variant on the left and the standard variant on the right. In the standard version, you'll find a slightly rounded frame, while in the Pro variant, it's similar but with a right-angle edge. The standard version has the fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, whereas the Pro variant has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Both phones have a relatively slim hinge and almost similar camera modules. The Pro variant isn't significantly bumpier either, and you'll find similar placements at the top. Looking at the bottom, you'll notice that the Pro variant appears slightly thicker. You can also compare the thickness of both phones when unfolded. Now, let's talk about the weight of both phones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs 227.5 grams, while the standard variant of the Vivo X Fold 3 weighs 225.5 grams. However, the Pro variant weighs 244 grams, which is slightly heavier. The weight of the Vivo X Fold 2 is approximately 284.1 grams, so compared to its predecessor, the weight is considerably less. Therefore, in the Vivo X Fold 3 series, we can see quite a few changes compared to the previous generation. Tomorrow, I'll be providing a detailed review of both the standard and Pro variants of the Vivo X Fold 3. So, to watch the review, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.